back to another video. Today we are going to be going to Dublin for the day, but it's not actually today. I'm looking back at this. I done a video at 3:30 in the morning and regrets because it was awful. So anyway, we're going to pretend it's 3:30 in the morning and we are starting our journey to Dublin for just one day. No nights, just an extreme day trip. So let's get going. So it's 2:45 now, ready to get going. Done a bit of makeup, got my outfit for the day. Nice t-shirt and some jeans because apparently it's 18 degrees in Dublin and not raining, which is actually quite surprising. Head down to the airport, see what security's like down there, and then get going. So we are just coming up to Stansted Airport. We are parking in Radisson Blue, which was £25 for the day. You can actually notify if you get delays as well, which is pretty good. We're trying to find our way to there. Seems quite busy getting in today actually. But yeah, we'll see how it goes, and apparently it's only walkable to the airport, which is really good. So we're here at the Radisson Blue, which is just behind me here, and we are going to walk to the airport. It says 25 minutes, but I honestly think it's a lot closer than what it says, but we will check it out. There's a little gap here, and I think literally that bit there is where you walk to the airport. Nice and easy. So we just brought out meal deal from Boots. It was £5, so it's not too bad for a drink and your sandwich and a snack, and that will just basically fuel us for the day, and if there's any delays especially. So it is 6:20, been up for like 3 hours now, and we are at gate 50. It's pretty rainy and cloudy here in Stansted, but we are about to go onto the plane, and that's our plane, I think. So we landed here in Dublin at 8:30. The flight was super quick, which was great. Now we need to get through passport control. It's quite a walk from where we kind of parked, and then get the bus to Dublin city centre. Now here in the city centre, first impressions is there's quite a variety. It's not like historic or anything like London, but we're going to have a little stroll down and try and find the temple and that kind of main city centre bit, and then head to the zoo. The bus was really easy though. It cost what, 10 euros return, which is really good, and it took just less than half an hour, so definitely recommend. Know what it is?
It's the Halfpenny Bridge, and it's a really old cast iron bridge. Maybe the oldest in Ireland or the world. I don't know.
So Temple is just here. There's a bit of construction there, but I think it goes around the corner. But it's pretty cool, proper Irish. So as part of my annual pass at Colchester Zoo, I can get into Dublin Zoo for free, so we are heading down there now. It's about a 42-minute walk from the city centre, and the walk is a bit messy this time in the morning, to be honest, but it's definitely getting the proper sights of Ireland in, or Dublin, yeah. So we are in this place called Phoenix Park. Apparently there's some deers in the park, but I don't know. But anyway, I've got attacked by a fly. We're going to try and find a zoo. I'm not really sure where it is. I haven't seen any like signs for it, but good to explore, and the weather here in Dublin is nice. I just entered the zoo, literally showed my annual pass and got straight in, which is obviously really good. I'm going to try and see if I can find a map, and I'm really excited to have a look around and see what there is. So to preserve my battery a bit, I stopped doing like kind of speaking, but I thought I'd do a voiceover in the zoo. Dublin Zoo was absolutely amazing. It was so much bigger than what I thought it would be. It had so many unique animals, and it was really nice to see a different zoo aside from my local, which is Colchester Zoo, and plus getting in for free was such a bonus. My favourite animal was probably the sea lions. They're my favourite in general, but I really like to see the elephants. They've got a lovely enclosure, and also the massive kind of safari area, which includes your giraffes and your rhinos and everything like that. They also had the most amazing gorilla enclosure, and seeing the silverback gorilla was absolutely amazing.
So we've come into the Guinness Brewery Company. It was quite a long walk from the zoo area, but not far from the city. So we've just started here, and it's a self-guided tour. We're just going to start in the shop, and this is the lease that was signed for this building, 9,000-year lease. And then we start through there. So this bit here is all about advertising and what they've used to advertise. We've just come up to the gravity bar to get our Guinness, and actually managed to get a table right next to the view, which is pretty amazing because it's quite busy in here, as you can see. The pint of Guinness is included in your ticket price, so Dad's just gone to get it. So 2 pints of Guinness, and I think you've got to leave them 117 seconds, isn't it? It said somewhere. So we've just finished at the tour. It was actually really nice. We had a pint of Guinness at the end. We timed it pretty good. We got in there at 11:15. We were meant to go in there at 12, but they let us in early. And we sort of missed the crowds. It was busy, but it wasn't ridiculously busy considering it's a Saturday in summer. So I definitely recommend a sort of 11 o'clock if possible. Sitting in the Trinity College bit, we've got some dinner, and we went to M&S and also went to McDonald's, so a bit of a weird combo, but is what it is. And we're going to enjoy the sunshine because it's so sunny here in Dublin today, and have some food. It's about 20 to 6. I had a bit of a nap, to be honest, in the sunshine, and we're going to head down to Temple Bar and see it a little bit more alive than what it was this morning, and see what Ireland is all about. So we went down Temple Bar area about 6 p.m. and it was definitely thriving. This was a Saturday night. Everyone was out drinking and enjoying themselves. We then took the bus back to the airport. This took 45 minutes, so a bit longer. And we also saw the Guinness vehicle driving around just casually, which was so cool to see. Unfortunately, when we got to the airport, our flight was delayed by just over an hour, which was a little bit gutting. And we obviously were waiting around for quite a while, quite late at night after being away for 22 hours. But that is it from our Dublin trip. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.